LG smart TV. Now, we've obviously smart TVs have been around for quite a long time now, and they've never been massively smart. So we stopped by the LG stand to see their new smart TV powered by WebOS. This is an important development because for the first time it appears that a TV manufacturer has managed to put together an interface that actually looks appropriate and also responds in the way that you would expect. Responsiveness is a real issue on smart TVs, and no matter how good the TV or how expensive it is, it always feels like it's quite a slow, arduous process. But LG seems to have completely got over that. I mean, this interface you can see running around here is incredibly slick. You know, there's the Netflix app there with House of Cards Pro mode. You know, it looks beautiful. It's extremely well designed. Obviously, the way LG describes it is everything here is an app, so it's all completely customizable. In the same way that your PlayStation 4 is able to tell what you use most often, so is this LG TV. So your most often apps will be displayed first, your least at the end. And you know, there's obviously untold numbers. We're seeing Hulu here, but obviously we don't have access to that in the UK. But iPlayer will probably be there. That's fair to assume. And of course LG has its own store that offers its own selection of content there. Deep Space Nine there, for example, as well as all the other apps you need to get access to the other stores, which is, you know, pretty good. So for the first time we're sort of starting to feel like someone's actually sat down and thought about how to control and what an interface looks like. Now, there are some downsides to start with, of course. You know, we're not sure how bad the problems will be. The remote control shown here is not the traditional style. It's a kind of a wand type thing. That's fine, but we've used wands in the past or touchpads, and they've always been less than ideal. Here we've got a nice web browser, and you can see Pocket-lint there in all its glory, and that's the remote. So you're going to have to get used to using that, but actually we don't think it's going to be a massive problem. It seems like a good solution to the problem of navigating around on screen. This guy, you have to wake him up. He talks you through the setup process. Apparently by interacting with him here at the start, you're basically pairing a remote, and there is a gigantic sort of flying beanbird. He's called Beanbird, and we're getting on Wi-Fi there, which is the start of all connected TV. So we are excited. This looks like a very promising product.